everyone, thanks for joining me. My name is Michelle Spiegel and I'm with Century 21 Judge Fight here in Arlington, Texas. And today I want to talk to you about smells. So, let's get started. Okay, so yes, we're talking about smells today. When you are selling your house and you have pets or gosh, I don't know, an older home. Yeah. Basically, pets, I guess, would be the number one reason why you would have some smells in your house. And as you've seen in the Febreze commercials, you can become nose blind to those smells. And when you're selling your house, the first impression that somebody has besides the curb appeal and the front entryway when they walk into your house is, does it have a funky smell? So your potential buyer wants to come in and not have any funky smells. And you also don't want to mask it with candles. Whenever I take potential clients into homes and they have candles in every room, I know that's a big red flag. Because first of all, it's a fire hazard, but secondly, it's an indication that there's some funky smells lingering beneath those floral scents. And you want to make sure that your buyer is going to be getting a house that when they move into isn't a I don't know, nasal nightmare. Find out where the odor is coming from. Sometimes it's in the carpeting, sometimes it's in the fabric of your sofa, sometimes it's in the laundry room where the kitty litter is. You just need to narrow down where the smell is coming from. Now, if it's in the carpet, you can try and have it cleaned, but sometimes if a pet has an accident and it goes into the padding, sometimes that's kind of hard to remove. And depending on how old the carpeting is, that might be something that you want to address in a different way. As in, if you can't get the smell out of the carpet and you want to still have your house smelling nice without any red flags of candles and plug-ins everywhere, then the best thing to do would be, if it's in your budget, would be to take out the carpeting. Hardwood flooring right now is very popular anyway, and you actually recoup your money if you replace your carpet in the main areas with hardwood flooring or manufactured flooring. You actually recoup 100% of that. People also with the hardwood floors, a lot of people have allergies, and so the carpeting they might be thinking of taking out anyway. So if it's something that's creating a negative smell in the house anyway, it might be a good idea to replace it, and that way when potential buyers come in, they don't notice anything funky. And that is the goal of going through your house and making sure that there's nothing lingering. In your sofas, if you have pets and you like to have them on the furniture because they're part of the family, then just go through and maybe get some Febreze and spray those down, especially before an open house when a lot of people are going to be coming through your house, and then occasionally throughout the selling process. If you have heavy drapery, that might be something you want to wash and then put back up on the but generally speaking, it's usually in the flooring and furniture that these odors get trapped in, and teenage boys' rooms. So you might want to go through and do a thorough cleaning of that space. So that's my tip for this week. Just make sure that you're eradicating any funky smells in your house if you're planning on selling, and just keep that up. Like I said, trying to mask it with candles and plug-ins. Realtors, we can spot that a mile away, and we know what that means. So give me a like, and join me next week for another episode of something related to real estate. Not sure what it's going to be, but I'll be here next Tuesday, and I hope to see you there.